macam tadi.
Macam mana minyak anjing? Kasih babat.
Okay.
Ya, sikit Melayu tu dia cakap kat sikit tu. Dia panggilnya Cik Lasir apa dia?
Oh. Cik, wak. Fighting, no fighting. Apa tu? Bumerang, yes, bumerang. The name is Giant River Otter. Mata dia merah. Dia masuk air kot, I think. This is Giant River Otter.
Kenapa dalam?
Kenapa dia ke dalam? Sebab kalau mata dia keluar, nanti kena air pedih. Kena dalam. Stay in a river means that they cannot stay inland. Oh, this another one. Ini apa? Oh, this one we call it caiman. Black caiman. Caiman tu maksudnya buaya. Buaya hitam. This is the baby. It come out from the
Nampak macam ular je.
macam ular kan? Tapi
dia nak
dia punya
makan ni.
mulut dia lagi panjang. The snout is so long.
Tapi dia nak makan ni.
Tak, dia tak makan. Dia tak friend. Oh yes, you are right. Dia makan, siapa tahu dia makan apa? Dia makan kerang, makan
kuatnya
kokot.
giginya.
Dia nak tahu tak? Dia sangat special. Dia ada batu kegemaran. Dia ada favourite stone.
Tapi dia makan
dia guna untuk tumbuk-tumbuk kerang punya shell tu. Lepas tu nanti dia makan isi dia. Yes, tapi apa?
Dia macam pusing.
Dia boleh pusing juga. Contoh kan, Mami ada kerang. Okay, dia kerang so big. The muscle so big. And then they will crack it with a special stone. When it's done, open the shell. And then they take out the meat and eat. Okay, that's how otter eat. And then who eat the otter?
Look, me.
Siapa? Yes, look at you. Smash really hard.
Yeah, chop.
Would you like to do that too? Smash really hard. And then when it crack open, and take out.
Seterusnya.
Okay, next. This one. This one the plague like caiman. Banana. Peel banana. Banana. Well done. Let's sing a song. Walking in the jungle, we are not afraid, Walking in the jungle, we are not afraid, One step, two steps, three steps forward. One step, two steps, three steps back. Listen. Okay, oh, Daddy cut something. Daddy clean up. Okay, continue. Walking in the jungle, we are not afraid. We are not afraid. One step, two steps, three steps forward. Walking in the jungle, we are not afraid, Walking in the jungle, we are not afraid, One steps, two steps, three steps forward. Oh, one steps, two steps, three steps back. Yay, dah sampai. Hello everyone, you have so much fun there. You play with the mud still? Enjoy your day. What you play there? Okay, you can still play that. What should we do now? Yeah. Can you pull up? Can you pull up yourself?
I can't.
Yes, susah tapi still doable. I know you can. You sit on it. Okay. Shiva, what is the best thing about the mud? Apa yang paling best pasal mud ni sampai awak nak main sini lagi?
Sebab
Best lah.
Sebab laju.
Okay.
Kak.
Share together, okay?
Kakak.
Nanti kita masuk ke atas je. Because the water is so limited lah. I'm so sorry. Yes.
Nanti ayah buat.
Dia just throw around.
buat itu.
Yeah, I put it in YouTube.
Yaya lagi tu yang pandai buat
TikTok dia tak nak masuk. Okay.
Mami look, pink.
Yeah, both pink.
Nak main buang.
Boleh? Let's go.
Follow.
Go up first. Okay. Sorang-sorang tau. Satu per satu. Comfy? Ini cara Tia ajar. Tak payah guna air, boleh bersihkan tangan juga. Guna rumput. Okay, guna lagi macam tadi. Okay, you think it's clean now? Are you ready to climb? Okay, let's go up. Taklah, ni kuat insyaAllah. Sekejap Daddy dulu.
Mami. Ada ni, ada tu.
Oh, Daddy dulu. Go upside down.
Okay. Again. Tak. Pelan-pelan tau. Kaki. Okay.
Yay! Okay? Tangan dah clean, nanti baru tak licin. Not slippery, not fall.
Mami, I wanna do it.
Yeah, you can try.
But I cannot reach one.
Okay, lepas ni ingat tau, the rule is kena perhatikan kawasan. Kalau ada kawan dekat atas, tunggu giliran. Wait for your turn. Understand? Now giliran dia.
Nanti kalau itu.
Ambil handle. Okay, everything goes up like this. Now Adi punya turn. Okay, anda bawa macam mana? Nak panjang juga macam kakak? Tak.
Laju.
La illallah. La ilaha illallah. Ni dia seorang je nanti naik kereta. 3 of us, 4 of us kena jalan kaki, okay?
Allah.
Sebab kita dah kotor. Yelah.
Habis tu kakak Syifa dengan Adi ni mana Kamal?
Di rumah. At home.
Ada home.
At home. Okay, Adi pula. Adi nak lompat. Yeah, so high. Adi nak lompat. You not ready yet? Oh, nak pergi bersih. Okay. You can, Adni. You can jump, okay, Adni? Jump. Okay, well done. Solo again. Okay. Make sure your friend is not here, okay? Pastikan kosong dulu, lepas tu baru lompat, Jadi nak besarkan ke? Okay. Adi's turn. Oh. Jump. Okay, good girl. Nanti boleh mandi, don't worry. What? Okay, Adi's turn. Jangan, okay, Daddy nak korek dulu. Adi settlekan dulu, lepas tu baru kakak punya turn, okay?
Shit.
Whose poop is that? The cow poop, I guess, yes. Woo! Oh, nanti boleh tu lah. Jadi juara lompat jauh kat sekolah, Syifa. Sebab dah training kat sini. Dapat dah. Tahun ni pun dah ada. Tahun ni awak dah training kat sini, mesti lagi jauh lompat. Mami nak jugalah.
apa sangat?
Tak apa sangat. Mestilah boleh expect. It's so.
Tadi dia suka makan saya.
Sama.
Kena makan saya.
Oh.
Okay.
Kat rumah dia.
Kat rumah dia.
Okay, satu ni. Pokok angin.
Okay. Lepas ni kita sebut binatang yang paling kita takut. Okay?
Alah, tapi kalau kena makan.
Okay, kena ada. Kita sebut binatang yang paling kita suka. Okay?
3. Babi hitam.
Lepas ni apa tu?
Senang.
Lepas ni apa lagi? That's why I love the most is BMW.
BMW.
Ada pula kereta apa yang paling Aziz suka?
Wael.
Wain, okay. Kita ajar. Boleh.
Basikal tak ada pedal.
Oh, okay.
Apa nak besar?
Oh, nanti Aziz sama. Oh, dah dulu. Okay.
Kereta saga hitam.
Okay.
Saga.
Saga.
Saga, bukan saga tau.
Banyak.
Bas.
Bas.
Bas. Ni pun. Ni aku juga bas juga. Bas warna purple.
Masuk, okay. Warna purple.
Bas Express. Bas Express, bukan Express, bukan. Bas Bangla.
Bas Bangla.
Bas Bangla. Kita pernah naik kan?
Okey, macam pergi tempat tu. Okey, Bas Bangla. Dia suka double decker bus.
Bas Kani. Bas Kani yang cerita tayo. Kereta 4x4.
Wah. Okey, boleh. Ada pula. Transport yang paling Aziz suka.
Come on.
Kita tengah fikir. Daripada kita buat
Kereta
yang
warna
power
merah.
je.
Kereta merah.
Itu merah. Okey.
Apa kereta merah?
Merah.
Kereta warna hijau.
Okay.
Okey dah.
Done.
The green car.
Mami suka pickup truck. Oh, bagus. Everyone happy? So much fun? Andi happy tak? Happy sangat? Habis orang okay, boleh?
Mama.
Go to dustbin. Go over there first and kita bawa balik. Sekejap Mami nak ambil gambar ni. Jom makan. Puasa. Makan. Is that delicious like that, Eden? Kan?
Kat hutan makan makan. Adik. Macam masuk-masuk juga tak makan, masuk sendiri-sendiri.
Kan? Bijak ibu. Mula dia orang tak nak itu Syifa aja. Okey, semua pun nak satu.
Clever.
Thank you.
Oh,